Hey folks, you might have come across a flashy ad or email claiming you can snag a $750 Target gift card just by clicking a link to shopperclaims.com. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's take a closer look. But before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. So, shopperclaims.com promises a $750 Target gift card in exchange for completing a few deals or offers. But here's the catch. According to Malware Tips and Scam Advisor, this is a classic survey scam tactic. They lure you in, ask for tons of personal info, and then redirect you through endless pages of sponsored offers. In many cases, users never actually receive the gift card. Just spam emails, kept cheap subscriptions, and a lot of wasted time. We also checked Trustpilot, and as of now, there are no verified reviews for shopperclaims.com, which is another red flag. For the final verdict, it's pretty safe to say that shopperclaims.com is not legit. There's no real evidence of anyone receiving the gift card, and the process is more about collecting your data than rewarding you. If you see this promo, skip it. Now, thank you for watching. If you've ever run into this scam or a similar one, share your story in the comments. And hey, hit like and subscribe for more quick scam checks and honest reviews.